Hi, welcome to Salesforce Textbook. Our topic is Einstein Bot. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to configure the bot to create a case, how to invoke the custom flow from an Einstein bot, and how to transfer the chart to an agent. In the previous session, we had discussed about how to configure the bot to create a lead. Now we will see how to configure the bot to create a case. Now we will see the practical implementation. Let's go to our R. In quick find, search for Einstein bots, click on Einstein bots and click on service bot. To configure the bot, we have to deactivate it. So click on deactivate, click on S. Here, when the user click on report an issue, then it will create a case. So we will create a rule for that. To create a rule, click on plus symbol, search for rules, select call dialog, click on add condition. Here in variable, select selected choice equals report an issue. If the user selected value equals to report an issue, then it will call the dialog. So we will create the dialog for that. Click here, click on create new dialog. I'm giving the name as report an issue. If we want to add it to bot menu options, we have to enable this. Click on save. Now the rule is created and also dialog is created. Now click on this dialog. Before that, click on save. Click on report an issue. Here we will configure the questions related to case. So click on static. Give the question. I'm giving, can you provide the issue related to select the entity name. I'm selecting system text. Create the variable to save the response. Click on new text variable and I'm giving the name as issue. Click on save. Click on plus symbol and create another question. Search for static. Click on static. Give the question. Can you provide the brief summary related to the issue? Give the entity name, system text. To save the response, create a variable. Click on new text variable. I'm giving summary. Click on save. Now we have created the questions related to the case. When we click on report an issue, we have to create a case. For that, we will create the action. Click on plus and search for flow. I want to add the flow here. In the previous session, we had discussed about standard flow. Now I have created a custom flow. I'm using that flow here. Flow name is create case. And map the variables here. For description, I am giving summary. For subject, I am giving issue. Routable ID. Give context routable ID. For storing the case number, we'll create a variable. Click on new text variable. Give case number. Click on save. Give the case ID. For case ID, I'm creating a variable. Click on save. Now when the case is created, I want to display the message to the user. For that, I'm creating the message. Click on message and give the message here. Thank you for providing the information. Your case is created successfully. With the following details. Here I am giving the field names. First one is issue. For issue, we have created a variable issue. Summary. For summary, variable names. Summary. Case ID. Case underscore ID. For case number. Case underscore number. Now click on save. Now we will see the output. Before that, click on activate. Click on preview. Click on rich content preview. Select service group. Click on chat with an expert. Click on report an issue. I'm giving solar products. Solar panels are not working. Now the case is created. Now if we want to transfer this case to the agent, go to welcome menu and click on next step. If we click on transfer to an agent, what will happen we'll see. After that we'll discuss how to create. Here we got the message, unfortunately there are no agents available at the moment. For that, go to setup. In app launcher, search for service console. Here omni channel is offline, so click here, click on this drop down and select available chart. Now it is available for chat. Go to our bot, click on deactivate. Here in welcome menu, go to next step and select show a menu. When we select show a menu, click here and select transfer to chart. And I want to add end chart also, so I'm adding end chart. Now click on save. Click on activate. Click on preview. Rich content preview. Chat with an expert. We'll see again. Close chart. Click on chat with an expert. Click on report an issue. Give the details. I'm giving my solar panels are not working. Now the case is created. Now click on transfer to agent. It is transferring to the agent. Now go to service console. Click here. Now we will chat here. It will ask, how can I help you? Now go to our bot. How much time it will take to resolve our key? Now go to service console. It will take 2 to 3 days. Like this, we can chat with the agent. End user can chat with the agent. Now we will see the flow I have created. I'll show you that flow. This is the flow I have created. This is an auto launched flow. Here I used create records element. Here I am taking the origin value as web and priority as high, and I am saving the description in description variable and subject in subject variable, and I am storing the case ID in case ID variable. After that I am getting the case number. If ID equal to case ID, then I am storing the case number in case number variable. After that I am using update records element. Here if ID equals to routable ID, then I'm relating the chart transcript record with the case ID. This is how this is how I have created the case. In this session, we had discussed about how to create a case and how to transfer the chart to an agent. In the next session, we will discuss about how to add this Einstein bot in Experience Cloud site. These are the reference links. Please go through those links. Please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook. Thank you.